Hello. Today, we will discuss the concept of the job sequencing problem with deadlines. Consider here, there are n jobs J1, J2, J3 and so on Jn. Area associated with deadlines of D1, D2, Dn. Profits P1, P2, Pn. If job completes before deadline, then the project is earned. The objective is to earn maximum profit when only one job is scheduled or processed at only given time. For example, index 1 2 3 4 5. Jobs A1 A2 A3 A4 A5. Deadlines 2 1 3 2 1. Profit 60 121 40 20. As per the example initially, we have to sort the jobs according to ascending order. Here, according to the profit values, let's assign the jobs. So here, comes as, index 1 2 3 4 5. Jobs A2 A1 A4 A3 A5. Deadlines 1 2 2 3 1. Profit 160 40 20 20. Here Dmax equals 3, Dmax referred as deadline. So maximum time is 3 to complete the job and the number of indexes are 5. Let's check according to the example. Here, for index 1 we have job A2. The deadline to complete the job is 1. Next, to complete the job A1 is 2. Next, I will not prefer to take the A4 because from the perspective of time we would not be able to complete the two jobs at the same time. So next is A3, deadline is 3 for that. Next is A5 for the deadline is 1. As A5 and A2 are dealing with the same deadline, I will prefer to reject the A5. Let's see the time slots. Initially, consider 0th index. Step 1, consider Dmax equals 3. N equals 5. Look at job A2. Deadline equals 1. Step 2, here, look at job A1. Deadline equals 2. Time slot equals 2. Step 3, look at job A3. Deadline equals 3. Time slot equals 3. This is the 0th index slot table. We haven't done the job. So, status is empty for every time slot is here. As the status is empty for every time slot, let's consider index 1 again. Having job A2. To solve problems, we have a specific formula, that is, K equals minimum Dmax deadline I. Let's check with job A2, which has index 1. Considering Step 1. Job A2. Index I equals 1, K equals minimum Dmax deadline I, K equals minimum 3, deadline 1, K equals minimum 3, 1, K equals 1, K greater than or equal to 1, therefore, 1 greater than or equal to 1 states true. Here check time slot 1 is empty. So, time slot 1 equals A2. In step 2. Job A1. Index I equals 2. K equals minimum Dmax deadline I, is the formula. K equals minimum 3, deadline 1. K equals minimum 3, 2. K equals 2. K greater than or equal to 2, therefore, 2 greater than or equal to 1 states true. Here check time slot 2 is empty. So, time slot 2 equals job 1 equals A1. Step 3. Job A4. Index I equals 3. K equals minimum Dmax deadline I, K equals minimum 3, deadline 2. K equals minimum 3, 2. K equals 2. K greater than or equal to 1, therefore, 2 greater than or equal to 1 states true. Here check time slot 2 is not empty because it is already assigned. Then, K equals K minus 1. K equals 2 minus 1. K equals 1. K greater than or equal to 1 equals 1 greater than or equal to 1. Check if time slot, K, is empty or time slot 1 is already filled. Next, for I equals 3, reduce K equals K minus 1. K equals 1 minus 1 equals 0. K greater than or equal to 1 equals 0 greater than or equal to 1, therefore no fails. So we will move to the next slot. Step 4, job 3. Index I equals 4. K equals minimum Dmax deadline I, K equals minimum 3, deadline 3. K equals minimum 3, 3. K greater than or equal to 1, therefore, 3 greater than or equal to 1 states true. Here check time slot K. Time slot 4 equals A3. Here comes the time slot table as. Now, the time slot is full. Therefore the required job sequence maximum profit is 100 plus 60 plus 20 equals 180. Well, that's the end of today's topic. Along with the video explanations, we offer notes, mind maps, infographics and more to all the subjects from your syllabus. And also career guidance programs from current working IT professionals. And many more to our supporters. To join our supporters community, use the subscription link given below. For more topics from your syllabus, please visit our website given in the description. If you like the explanation, press the like button and rate us from 1 to 5 in the comments section below. For getting updates on any video we posted, please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon. We will be back with another concept soon.